Welcome to Annie's Hub. Hi guys, how are you all? Stay home, stay safe. Can you guess what is this?
No. Something is inside the box. Wow, what is that?
It's magnetic balls.
Oh, magnetic balls.
It's like a magnet.
Okay. Oh, you have so many colors.
Yes, we have 6 colors.
Okay,
See?
what are all the colors you have?
Green, blue,
Okay. And yellow.
yellow, orange,
Okay.
red and purple and green.
Okay.
Now I'm going to make a hexagon.
Okay. How many sides a hexagon has?
Hexagon 6.
Yes, very good. It has 6 sides, so it is called a hexagon. Do you know how many sides a pentagon has?
5.
Yes, very good. Okay. How many sides an octagon has?
8.
Yes.
One hexagon is ready.
Okay, wow. Red color hexagon is ready.
Now I'm going to do orange color.
Okay. So how you are doing on a road? You have to roll 5 circles. How you are rolling? Okay, you are rolling 5 circles.
It has a hexagon has 6 sides. No, 6
Okay.
sides. No, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, we
Okay.
need to attach this first one
With sixth
here.
one. Okay.
And roll it till it get bigger.
Okay. Okay, now orange hexagon is also ready.
Yes.
Okay. Now you're going to do?
Yellow.
Okay.
Which color do you like, Mom?
I like in this magnet I like purple.
Not in this magnet. What is
Okay.
your
My
favorite
favorite color is white and black. What's
color?
yours?
Okay. Red and pink.
Okay.
Now I have done 6 hexagons. See?
Wow, so nice. You have completed 6 hexagons.
And this.
Wow, very nice. Okay.
Next we are going to do a flower.
Oh, flower. Wow. I'm waiting to see the flower.
Now my flower is ready.
Wow, the flower is so colorful.
Yes.
Okay.